In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Samsung apps from Samsung phone. First, let's begin by opening the app screen on your Samsung phone. You can do this by swiping up from the bottom of your home screen. This action reveals all the applications installed on your device. It's crucial to locate the app you want to uninstall, as this is the starting point for the entire process. This screen is your gateway to all your installed applications, and you will see a grid of icons. Each icon represents a different app. Take your time to look through this list. It is important to ensure you select the correct app to avoid any accidental uninstalls. Once you have the app screen open, the next step is to touch and hold the Samsung app you want to uninstall. This action will trigger a menu to appear on the screen. Holding down the app icon is a common gesture on smartphones, and it sets off the action you need. As you hold the icon, you might notice that it slightly enlarges, indicating that it's selected. This visual cue is reassuring as it confirms you are on the right path. Selecting the app correctly ensures that you are about to uninstall the correct application, which is vital for managing your device effectively. Now, with the app selected, your next action is to tap on the uninstall option that appears in the menu. This option will typically be displayed near the top of the screen. Selecting uninstall is the moment that initiates the removal process. It is essential to be cautious here, as tapping this option signals that you want to remove the app from your device. This action not only clears space on your phone but also helps streamline your app usage. Removing unnecessary apps can boost performance and make it easier to find the apps you actually use. At this point, the device will prompt you to confirm your choice. You will need to tap uninstall again to confirm the action. This step is significant as it prevents accidental uninstalls, adding an extra layer of security. The confirmation screen serves as a final check, allowing you to reconsider if you really want to remove the app. It's a small but important step that ensures you have made the right decision. Once you tap uninstall again, the app will begin to be removed from your device. After confirming the uninstall, you will see a brief loading animation as the app is being deleted. This visual feedback is comforting as it shows that the process is underway. Once complete, the app will disappear from your app screen. This is an indicator that the app has been successfully uninstalled. You can take a moment to look through your app screen to ensure that the app is no longer listed. This step is satisfying as it confirms that you have successfully completed the uninstall process. In conclusion, uninstalling apps on your Samsung phone is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can manage your applications effectively. Remember, keeping your device clutter-free enhances its performance and usability. If you ever wish to reinstall an app, you can always do so from the App Store. With that, you now have the knowledge to remove unwanted Samsung apps from your phone easily. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!